Hello everyone, Mike here from Magnus. Just want to put together a quick short video on the updates to our billing system and automating it. So currently our billing system has been pretty manual and it's caused kind of a growing pain for us. Because as of right now, as you are all aware, or some of our newer partners may not be aware, is that we have to send out an email about 10 days prior to the invoice cut date, which is on the 1st of every month. And in that email, we've been requesting your license usage, and it is on the good faith system. So we're deciding to move away from that system because it is a headache for everyone to have to take time out of their busy schedules and go through and tell us what devices you have so we can bill you appropriately. So the new system is going to automate that process. So going forward, we would like to see device IDs or device names in Magnus have the following appended to them, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So going forward, our goal is that when you set up a device in Magnus and install the software, it's going to ask you for the device name. Now, if you guys append the following to the end of the device name, it will trigger and update our billing system accordingly. And I feel that this process is a lot easier than trying to bill everyone ahead of time for licenses. We really just want to make sure that you're getting charged for what you're using. So having to buy a bunch of licenses up front, we feel that is a very unnecessary process. So going forward, if you guys could either do one of the following, and I want to thank our good friend John for helping us out for testing this for us. If you can either append either dash desktop, server, laptop, or NFR to the end of the device names, our billing system will pick that up at the end of the month and adjust the billing accordingly. If you want to have it more uniform and have it cleaner, you can also use dash ENP for endpoints, so that would cover laptops and desktops. You could also use dash SRV for servers or dash NFR for your not for sale licenses that have been assigned based on what tier you have. So I'm going to show you quick how to make those adjustments. It's pretty easy. It may take you guys a few minutes to get it going, but once you do this moving forward, it'll make everything a lot easier. So you're going to go ahead and go into your dashboard. You're going to go to Accounts and click on Users, and then you're going to click into the user account that you want to modify. So once you go in there, you're going to want to click on the Devices tab. And you're going to see here, I've already completed this with my own devices because I have two that I have, one for myself and one for my store. And just click this little rename button here over on the right next to revoke. And if you click that, it will give you the chance to type in the new naming scheme. So I'm just going to add laptop to the end, hit OK. And then that will update that accordingly, and we'll be able to see that, and our billing system will pick that up as well. So if you guys have any questions about this change, feel free to reach out to me. You guys can reach me at support@magnusbox.com or mike@magnusbox.com, and feel free to let me know if you guys need help with this or if you guys have any other suggestions for improvements to our platform. So I really appreciate you guys doing this for us, and then if you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you.